Here we go.
Its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station.
Hey, it doesn't sound like an echo anymore.
Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test. News Radio KDKA, covered by JP Roofing and Siding. Hear that?
Let's go. They don't have an echo anymore. And they tested early. Oh, wow. That was cool. Oh, wait. Solomon, you can still rewind. Solomon, you can still rewind. I think you can rewind on Odyssey. Because if you can still catch it. Anyways, so yeah, there it is.